Hey, what's up guys? I thought I'd just like to show you the difference between just a drop-in bass map and then something that I've tuned on the dyno, a bit of a difference. So yeah, the big bold blue run you're seeing at the moment is just the bass map, and you can see there's a massive drop right in the middle where the power and the torque just fall off, and as you can see down the bottom here, we're way lean when we open the throttle, very lean up there, 17 to 1, comes down 13.5 sort of thing, back up and down, and way lean right through the middle, and even scarier up the top. It's way too lean. After a few runs on the dyno, we've got the air fuel ratio a little bit better. We've still got a lean spot here I'm about to get rid of, but yeah, you can see now the air fuel's tracking nice and relatively flat across there, targeting at 13 to 1. We've started out run number 1, we had 89 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds, and a few runs later we've got 101, nearly 102 horsepower and nearly 120 foot-pounds. So quite a substantial difference. You're really going to feel the difference in the middle here when you roll on. We're sort of, we're between 3.5 and 4,000 RPM there, and as you can see, when we roll on, we're not going to feel that big drop anymore. We're going to track nice and neat right through the top. So that's the difference between just a drop-in bass map and then something's been tuned. You have to remember, a bass map is just a starting point for the tune. It just sets up the math for the tune. It's got a few different things in place just to try and get something happening, but all it is a bass line to start from, and then you can tune from there. And as you can see there's a massive difference there. So yeah, it's very important to have your bike tuned properly when you've got performance upgrades. So.